po ang ating ABS-CBN. Kinalakihan nating lahat, naging bahagi ng buhay ng Pilipino. Nais pa rin makaambag sa kinabukasan ng bawat kapamilya. Maraming salamat po sa maraming taon na kami po ay inyong pinatuloy sa inyong mga tahanan. Maraming salamat po sa maraming taon na ating pinagsamahan. Hanggang sa muli, kapamilya.
You have been listening to DYLS-FM. DYLS-FM is a commercial radio station owned and operated by ABS-CBN Corporation with license number BSD 0086-2018. Valid from January 1, 2019 to December 31, 2021 with a power of 20,000 watts on 97.1 megahertz. Its studio and offices are located at North Road, Hagubiao, Mandaue City, while its transmitter is located at Mabagdos, Mount Busay, Cebu City. DYLS-FM operates under the supervision of an electronics and communications engineer, duly licensed by the Professional Regulation Commission. Engineer Bernardo M. Acosta, and carried out by the following personnel, duly licensed by the Professional Regulation Commission and the National Telecommunications Commission. Engineer Melvin Acosta, Engineer Jose Rizalde Umipig, Glenn Benavente, Engineer Peter Martin Alfafara, Engineer Benjamin Jaime Jr., Engineer Erwin Tumula, Albert Carpio, Zandro Zibalios, Virgilio Villanueva, Valeriano Villariza, Celerino Cabungcal Jr., Jose Wilfredo Abalos, Pedro Alicanto, Sandro Ferrater, Julius Molinaw, Raul Manango, and Juliecito Portarcos. This is DYLS-FM 97.1, my only radio for life. Lupig sila. Now signing off.
Mga kapamilya, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.